It's going to be a quick video on how to do animated clothing, because with the DayZ Texture Animator, you when it bakes out, you get something like this where it's just one hidden selection, which is the ground texture, for example. So if you spawn the item in on the ground, it's animated, but as soon as you pick it up, it's not got that texture anymore. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we get the original config up of your clothing, you'll notice that I'm using this one, the black vest. So it's got multiple hidden selections, but they all load the same image. So let me clean this up a little bit so you can see what I mean. So each hidden selection up here is using the same image. So this should be fairly simple to do. So if you look at the config here, we only have one hidden selection. So we need the other two in there as well. So we need the camo male and the camo female as well. So after here, put a comma, paste them two in. And then we need to do the same for the textures. So each one of these hidden selections has this texture assigned to it. So comma, enter, paste, comma, enter, paste. And the same for the RV mats as well. So copy, comma, enter, paste, comma, enter, paste. So now this will animate, well, it won't animate, it will load this first texture onto all three parts. So if it's on the male body, it'll come up with this texture. If it's on the female body, it'll come up with this texture. So you can save this, save. Then in the animated clothing C, so it's in your, the one that baked out is the animated clothing one. You can see we have this at the very bottom. 0 means the first one in this list here. So 0, 1, 2. Okay, so we're only animating the first one, which is the ground. So I'm going to copy this. In fact, I'll copy both of these because it's the RV mat as well. So I'll copy, enter, paste, change these to 1. Like so, and do the same again. Control V, set these to 2, sorry. So this will be for the ground. These two will be for the ground, sorry. This one will be for the male, and this one for the female. So you save that. And then you can crunch this and it should be animated. If you have any trouble, jump in the Discord and let me know. Here it is real quick. This is animated on the ground. I'm going to third person, chuck it on. And there we go, it's animated on the character as well. There you have it, that's how easy it is.